Wow. Remix has been acquired. And not just by anybody, but a very interesting choice. Remix is now part of Shopify. What does this mean for open source web dev? Let's chat about it quick. Remix is a React-based meta framework created by the React Router team to make it easier to load data into your components in React apps on the server. It is a really powerful framework that has a strong hold on semi-interactive websites with mostly form-based inputs, things like blogs and e-commerce sites, which is why it makes so much sense for Shopify, of all companies, to be the one acquiring Remix. This is a super interesting development, both because Shopify isn't a traditional software dev tool company. They are focused entirely, obviously, on creating e-commerce sites on the web, and they see Remix as a great solution to continue iterating there. One of the most interesting pieces in here is where, on the Shopify announcement, they discuss React server components, specifically saying that while they're excited for the future of React server components long-term, as a critical dependency, it presented a number of challenges that became performance risks for their developers, specifically around how data loading happens. With server components, data loading occurs at a component level, but with Remix, data loading occurs at a route level, which makes it a lot easier to optimize the ways in which your data is fetched and used to create your application and the initial page load. I think this is a combination that makes a ton of sense, and I am super hyped to see all of the things that will come out from here. Shopify is a really good owner for a project like Remix, and the way that it will relate with Hydrogen should be interesting. I'm just excited that Remix now is at a place where they can get out of the deployment and infra wars and focus much more so on delivering the best possible developer experience. I'm hyped on this acquisition. I think it makes a ton of sense. I am just generally hyped to see the web moving forward, and I want to send a huge shout out to the Remix team. I know this was hard work and super scary, especially with all the other stuff going on in React land, but y'all have my best wishes, and I'm super hyped to see what comes next. It's also probably a good time to announce that on Friday the 4th at around 1 p.m. Pacific time, I'll be having Chance on from the Remix team to chat a bit about Remix, data loading patterns, and most importantly for me, type safety. Should be a really good convo. I am super hyped. This is huge. There's never been a better time to check out Remix. And yeah, hyped for him. Keep an eye on that. Thank you for watching this. Sub if you haven't already. Let me know if you like this, and I'll do more of these newsy type announcement things when news happens. And make sure you hit the sub button if you haven't. Should be over here, and the like button over wherever that is now. You also might be getting a recommended video right here too that you can check out. Thank you for the time. Good seeing you guys as always. Peace, nerds.